This video provides a step-by-step guide to using AI, specifically ChatGPT, to create personalized and effective workout plans. You will learn how to tailor routines to your fitness level, goals, and lifestyle. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Health and Fitness series. Chapter 1 explores why you should use AI for your workout. Artificial intelligence is transforming personal fitness, making expert-level training accessible to everyone. The AI fitness revolution is here. By 2029, over 1 billion people are expected to use digital fitness tools, with AI leading the charge. AI-powered planning offers personalized, adaptable, and cost-effective routines. ChatGPT acts as your 24/7 personal trainer. It is always available, meaning no appointments or gym schedules to work around. You can open the app and start building your plan instantly. What makes AI workouts different? They offer infinite customization tailored to your goals and equipment. They provide dynamic progression that evolves with you, and instant generation of structured plans anytime you need them. Chapter 2 focuses on preparing to prompt ChatGPT. Before typing a word, gather the right information. Great prompts start with great preparation. Think like a professional trainer. AI needs information like your age and experience level, fitness goals, available equipment and environment, schedule and time commitment, and any physical limitations. Details matter because the quality of your plan depends on the quality of your prompt. Specificity ensures safety, prevents injury, fits your lifestyle, and enables smart programming with proper progression. Here is your pre-prompt checklist. Have your age and level, goals, equipment, schedule, and limitations ready. The more specific you are, the better the results. Chapter 3 teaches you how to craft your first prompt. Learn the exact structure and language that prompts ChatGPT to deliver clear, actionable, and effective workout plans. Follow this basic prompt structure. Set the role, establish your baseline profile, define your goal, set practical constraints like equipment and schedule, and specify the deliverable, such as a time frame and routines. Here is an example prompt for a beginner. Notice how key details, age, level, goal, equipment, schedule, and time frame are included in a single clear paragraph for optimal results. With a well-crafted prompt, ChatGPT delivers a structured plan, complete with weekly schedules, exercise names, sets, reps, warm-up routines, and cool-down stretches, all formatted and ready to follow. Chapter 4 focuses on adding important details for safety and effectiveness. The difference between a good AI workout and a great one lies in the specific details you share, especially regarding safety. Always disclose injury or movement limitations. Be specific about what hurts and what movements to avoid. ChatGPT will then suggest safe exercise substitutions and appropriate modifications. Specify your preferences and constraints. Consider your preferred workout style, training environment, time of day for exercise, and any practical limits like noise restrictions or limited space. This example prompt includes limitations. By sharing limits upfront, ChatGPT suggests safer alternatives, allowing you to train with confidence. Chapter 5 explores different workout types with AI. ChatGPT can generate plans for virtually any training style. Learn how to prompt it for the most popular approaches. For beginners, the Full Body Foundation Builder is ideal. These routines train every major muscle group 3 days a week for balanced development. The focus is on fundamental movements and consistency. For intermediate and advanced lifters, muscle-specific splits like push/pull/legs allow for higher volume per muscle group and adequate recovery. These typically involve 5 to 6 exercises per session across 6 training days a week. For maximum results in minimum time, request HIIT cardio workouts. These high-intensity interval training sessions average 20 minutes, often require only body weight, and are ideal 2 to 3 times per week for fat burning and endurance. No gym, no problem. ChatGPT excels at creating routines for limited equipment or travel. Prompt it for bodyweight circuits for tight hotel rooms, routines with resistance bands, or functional training using outdoor parks. One AI, endless environments. Whether you're at a fully equipped gym, working out in your living room, or running trails outdoors, ChatGPT adapts your plan to wherever life takes you. Chapter 6 explains how to ask for progression and motivation. A great plan isn't static. Learn how to prompt ChatGPT for workouts that grow with you and keep you fired up. Request progressive overload plans. Progressive overload, gradually increasing the challenge, is crucial for building strength. Ask ChatGPT to build progression into your plan by increasing intensity, volume, or reducing rest periods. Ask for motivational tips and form cues. Prompt ChatGPT to act as your coach by including technique guidance for difficult exercises, adding motivational quotes for the week, or including reminders about consistency. This is an example prompt for progression. This single prompt generates 2 months of structured training with built-in progression and motivational tips, requiring no guesswork from you. Chapter 7 covers reviewing and adjusting your AI workout plan. Your plan is a living document. Learn how to refine it based on real-world experience for continuous improvement. Review your plan for safety and suitability. Scan for movements that conflict with your limitations. Test the first session. Note any discomfort and report back to ChatGPT for targeted adjustments. Life happens, and your plan should flex with you. Use follow-up prompts to ask AI for adjustments regarding missed sessions, exercise substitutions due to soreness, or plan modifications if you hit a plateau. Track, reflect, and refine. Successful AI fitness users keep a simple journal, noting what worked and what didn't. Feed this information back into your next prompt for even better results. Chapter 8 offers tips for maximizing your AI-generated workout. Use these expert strategies to turn good plans into great results and get the most out of your AI fitness partnership. The magic formula is generate, execute, track, and refine. Update your prompts every 4 to 6 weeks with progress data. You can also ask ChatGPT for nutrition guidance and recovery protocols to complement your training. Remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement. Use AI for generating plans and learning basics. Consult a professional for recovery from injuries, complex medical conditions, or persistent pain. Your fitness journey starts now. Prompt with purpose, stay consistent, and trust the process. Your progress will follow. Open ChatGPT and start creating your first AI workout plan today.